2025, luxury living is being redefined by a bold new architectural movement, one that blends bravery, creativity, and modern refinement into every corner of a home. Today, we take you inside a beautifully brave luxury home where the design philosophy is centered around strong character, fearless form, and seamless harmony with the environment. This narration will guide viewers through an extraordinary architectural journey, exploring how daring shapes, striking materials, and emotionally engaging spaces come together to create a home that stands as both an artwork and a sanctuary. Prepare to enter a world where beauty, confidence, and innovation collide. The exterior of a beautifully brave luxury home reflects more than just aesthetics. It communicates character. In 2025, bold geometry, dynamic facades, and sculptural silhouettes take center stage. Architects experiment with asymmetry, cantilevered structures, and seamless glazing that wraps around corners to create stunning visual drama. Natural textures such as stone, black steel, textured concrete, and timber elevate the facade with rich contrast and timeless elegance. These homes are designed not only to be admired from the outside, but also to create a powerful emotional impact, setting the tone for the modern, fearless living experience found within. A beautifully brave home never offers a simple entrance. Its entryway becomes a moment of architectural storytelling. Tall pivot doors, floating staircases, and skylights that wash the foyer with natural light define the first impression. The use of bold materials like fluted wood, brushed brass, and seamless glass creates an entry that feels both grand and inviting. In 2025, architects focus on crafting entrances that embody intention and artistry, ensuring that stepping inside feels like crossing into a curated world of modern luxury. This opening space sets the emotional tone for all the design elements that unfold deeper within the home. Modern luxury homes thrive on openness, and in 2025, architects elevate this concept with expansive layouts that feel effortlessly connected. Wide living areas with minimal barriers improve flow and create an atmosphere of freedom. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur boundaries between inside and outside, inviting natural light while showcasing curated views. Designers incorporate architectural elements like double-height ceilings, statement columns, and floating mezzanines to amplify the visual impact. Every detail, from lighting placement to material transitions, is carefully orchestrated to create a sense of calm, balance, and unspoken grandeur within the open interior landscape. What distinguishes a beautifully brave luxury home is its fearless use of materials. In 2025, architects experiment with combinations that were once considered unconventional. Textured concrete paired with warm oak, matte black steel meeting soft linen or polished stone, contrasted with raw organic finishes. These contrasts create layers of visual interest and tactile richness. Luxury today is defined not just by cost, but by sensory experience. Every wall, floor, and surface tells a story through its materiality. This brave blending of textures and tones reflects a modern identity, one that welcomes creativity and challenges traditional definitions of elegance. The kitchen remains a centerpiece of modern life, and in a beautifully brave home, it becomes a stunning showcase of innovation and design. Waterfall islands, hidden storage systems, and seamless built-in appliances create a clean, sculptural look. Architects emphasize bold monochromatic themes or dramatic material contrasts to make the kitchen a visual focal point. Intelligent layouts and ergonomic solutions ensure that beauty and function coexist effortlessly. This space embodies luxury not through excess, but through refinement, where every line, every finish, and every light source contributes to an atmosphere of elevated modern living. Living spaces in 2025 luxury homes embrace a sculptural approach to design. Furniture flows with refined curves, architectural lighting highlights dramatic angles, and decorative elements are chosen for artistic impact. Designers curate the room like a gallery, balancing bold statement pieces with soft, welcoming textures. Yet, despite the artistic sophistication, comfort remains essential. Plush seating, warm lighting, and natural materials ensure the space feels lived in rather than museum-like. This delicate fusion of art and comfort is the hallmark of modern luxury, where style and livability coexist without compromise. In a beautifully brave, luxury home, the bedroom transcends its traditional role and becomes a personal sanctuary. For 2025 designs, architects prioritize generous proportions, elegant lighting, and material palettes that promote relaxation. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to sculpt the space, while hidden LED strips add a soft glow for evening ambience. Textures like velvet, wood, and stone elevate the tactile experience. Walk-in wardrobes, minimalist decor, and spa-inspired bathrooms complete the suite, creating a private world of comfort and sophistication. The bedroom becomes more than a place to rest. It becomes a retreat of serenity and renewal. Outdoor spaces in 2025 luxury homes are no longer simple extensions. They are fully integrated living areas crafted with intention. Expansive terraces, infinity pools, sunken lounges, and lush landscaping create an outdoor experience that matches the elegance of the interior. Architects use seamless transitions, such as large sliding doors, matching floor materials, and cohesive color palettes, to blur boundaries between the inside and the natural world. Outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and water features elevate the sensory environment. These spaces enhance lifestyle, offering a perfect balance between relaxation, entertainment, and architectural poetry under open skies. As we conclude this journey through a beautifully brave luxury home, one thing becomes clear. The future of modern architecture is defined by boldness with purpose. In 2025, luxury is no longer about grandeur alone. It is about meaningful design, fearless creativity, and a harmonious blending of nature, art, and innovation. These homes stand as masterpieces of modern living, crafted not just to impress, but to inspire. They remind us that architecture has the power to shape emotions, elevate lifestyles, and ignite imagination. And for those who embrace brave design, the future is beautifully bright.